Hi, good morning to everyone. My name is Shubha. I am working as a geography teacher in a Pacham Matriculation High Secondary School. Okay, in this session we are going to learn about for the 10th standard social science. That is the topic Geography Unit 3 Components of Agriculture. Okay, let us go to learn. Okay, today's topic, what are the things we will going to cover now? First, what are the introduction about for the soil. Introduction about the soil, and then how the soil will be formed, the second topic, and third one is the types of soil, fourth one characteristics and distribution of soil, fifth topic is the soil map, and sixth one soil degradation, seventh one how to do the map in a soil, that is a map practice, eighth part is the questionnaire time. Okay, so without soil what can we do? Nothing, we cannot do anything for the agriculture related activities, we can't do anything. Okay, so the important one, soil is very essential for the agricultural activities. Okay, how the soil will be formed, if anybody knows how the soils will be formed now? The soil is the uppermost layer of the land surface. Okay, uppermost layer of the land surface. Usually it will be composed on the minerals, organic matters, and then naturally humans, like that many content will be content, only the soil will be formed. How the soils will be formed, and that having for the different types of deposition and weathering of rocks, and then different conditions of only the soil will be formed. Soil will be formed for the denudation process. Denudation process means they will be eroding for the some materials into the river flowing areas. Okay, now for types of soil, second topic, that is the first one, alluvial soil, red soil, black, laterite, desert or arid soil, PTR mossy soil, forest soil, mountain, terrain, and saline and alkaline soil. These soils only found in Indian topographical regions. Okay. Next one. So how the soil will be, characteristics and distribution, where the soil will be located, what are the soil content having in their soil, that is the characteristics of soil. So where the soil will be founded in our Indian states, that is the characteristics and distribution of soil. Okay. So now the land about for the alluvial soil, it is the most important of the Indian agriculture. Okay, alluvial soil have for the two types. First one is the Godar, second is the Bonga. So Godar is a light color, more siliceous contents will be having. It is a newer form of soil because of the river will be flowing and deposits a new form of soil now. That is only called as the Godar. Second is the Bonga, that is the older alluvial. Before that will be forming the content only they call as the Bonga. How the soil be formed now? Before that it formed like that. Sediments and deposits by streams and rivers when they slowly lose the particles in their river flowing areas. Next one is the chemical properties. That is a very important part of the chemical contents having in the alluvial soil. That is only rich in potash, phosphoric acid, lime and carbon components, but poor in nitrogen contents very less. Okay. Next one is the nature. Sandy and loam, silt and clay. It is a no mark for any identification having no color content will be added. Okay, so where the soil be founded in this India, Ganga and Brahmaputra, that is a fully river areas only. Okay, Ganga, Brahmaputra and plains of Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, that is the Ganga plain areas, and Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal and Bihar. This is only alluvial soil having for the more area. What are the crops will be cultivated in the alluvial soil? Rice, wheat, sugarcane and oilseed. So it is the most useful in agriculture. Okay, what are the states will be covered for the black soil? It is already we saw. Now, what are the crops will be cultivated in the black soil? Cotton, millets, tobacco and sugarcane. Okay, next one, black soil. How the black soil will be formed now? Drop of Deccan Drop, that is the Western Ghats, border of the Western Ghats. That color of the soil is the black color because it having for the presence of titanium and iron. What are the chemical properties having in the black soil? It is contained for the calcium, magnesium and high qualities of iron, aluminum, lime and magnesium. Okay, it also having for the rich in potash. Okay, and then nitrogen, phosphoric acid will be very poor in content. That is the nature of this soil is that very wet content because having for the moisture in the soil. Okay, what is the next one? Where is the soil be located in our Indian state? That is the Maharashtra, Malabar Plateaus, Atiba, Telangana, and this is the important states covering for the black soil. Okay, so and then what are the crops will be cultivated in the black soil? Very important. That is the cotton growing areas. Okay, tobacco and sugarcane. So that only we call as the Maharashtra and then Gujarat and then Mumbai area will be called as the Manchester of India because of cotton textile oriented industry will be having for the more in their area. So that will be called as the Mumbai is the Manchester of India. Next one, red soil. So the soil color itself we know about further. The color of the soil is red in color. So it will be formed as the decomposition of ants in crystalline rock. That is the red color rocks like that. Old rocks only formed as the form as a red soil. It has for rich in iron and magnesium. Okay, the red color soil that will be contain iron. Okay, and then deficient nitrogen, humus, phosphoric and acidic. That is will be having for the very limited. Okay, nature, the light structure, porous fibrable, presents limited soluble salt. That is will be fine material only having in the red soil. That will be next one. What are the states will be covered for the red soil? Eastern parts of Deccan Plateau, southern states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Chotanam Plateau. These regions only covered as the red soil. Now we understand what are the crops will be cultivated in the red soil? Wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses. Pulses is the main crop for the red soil growing soil. Next one, laterite soil. It is found as the Deccan Draft areas, the border of the Deccan Draft areas. This region will be conditions provide. This is a dry soil, okay, formed for the process of leaching. When the rivers will be forming now, that areas will be formed as a laterite soil. Chemical properties, hydrate, acids, iron and aluminum only having for this soil. That is the nature of this soil cannot be contain moisture. That is a loose particular soil because we are going for the mountain hill station now. That soil will be covered areas. What are the hills? Hills are soils only this one. Assam hills, okay, and Kerala, Karnataka, Eastern Ghats of this regions only having for the laterite soil. Another name will be called as the hilly soil only, laterite soil. That is the plantation crops only cultivated of this soil. Coffee, rubber, cashew and tobacco only cultivated in this soil. Next one, forest and arid soil. Okay, this is having only covered areas for the forest. And second one is a desert area covered soil. Okay, in India we are having for the forest areas now. This is a mountain forest, Western Ghats having forest and then Eastern Ghats forest areas only having this forest soil. It is depending on the climatic conditions based only. This type of soil will form. That is the rain temperatures and then vary for the weathering process only. The forest soil will form. Based on what are the chemical properties now? Deficient potash, phosphorus and lime having only in this type of soil. That is the color of the soil, light, sandy and then pieces of rocks, broken rocks only. The forest soil will form. Very rich in humus, slow decomposition and acidic. Because of the soil will be forest area only, this soil will be covered. Then soil will be spread out for the rivers only, having for the very rich in humus contents. Okay. What are the trees will be found in this area? States na coniferous forest belts. That is the Jammu and Kashmir areas only. The forest soil will be found. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and western and eastern parts in the southern parts. Okay, what the crops will be cultivated in this forest soil? Coffee, tea, rice, maize, potato, tropical fruits and various type of spices only located in this, growing in this forest. Okay, arid and desert soil. This is due to the presence of dry climate, high temperatures, again evaporation and soil bed. Lacks of humus content due to the absence of vegetative cover areas will be little limited only in this area because it is called as the desert soil. What are the chemical properties having in this soil? It is having for the high percent of soluble salt contents only. Okay, because not any rivers in that area. Alkaline with very varying degree of calcium carbonate, poor organic matter, and then rich in potash, poor in nitrogen only having in that type of soil. It is the color of the soil is light yellowish color. Okay, low humus, fragile structure, low in moisture because very loose soil this one. What are the areas covering places? Rajasthan, northern Gujarat and southern Punjab because this area will be covered as a desert. Okay, third desert areas. What are the crops will be cultivated? Millets, barley, cotton, maize and pulses. Because this is based on the irrigation only, soil will be, the crops will be cultivated. Okay, next one, saline and peaty soils is not suitable for the any cultivation of crops. Okay, its soil will be formed as a drainage of ashes and then waterlogging, injurious soils are that be transferred from subsurface to the topsoil by the capillary actions. Because of it is formed as the drainage content, very limited areas will be formed. It is having for the more saltation content because it is formed as a alkaline, there is a soil content soil areas only form this type of soil. Are the chemical properties? Liberate sodium, magnesium, calcium salt, sulfurous acid. Okay, having these properties of soil. Nature consists of undecomposed rock and mineral fragments which are weathered only the soil will form because of moving of the rocks here and there that like that. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, the drainage parts of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. It will be scattered for the not all over area will be covered, scattered and then not will come out. Okay, and next one, peaty and marshy soil will be formed as the humid regions from the organic matter. It is found the areas heavy rainfall and then high humidity peaty soils of the black, heavy and alkalic acid contents of the form. Okay, what are the chemical properties now? Deficient in potash, phosphate, contain considerable amount of soluble salts, 10 to 40% of organic matter because of will be having for the more trees contents, high proportion of vegetable matter may be formed as the chemical properties of acid soil. Next, nature of soil, it contains considerable amount of soluble salt, 10 to 40% organic matter, high proportion of vegetative matter because we will be having covered as the more plants and trees. Okay, that is the border of the seashore regions only covered as the mossy soil. Kottayam, Alamala districts, Kerala, these are like coastal areas, and then Odisha, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Bihar, Almora district, that is a district of Uttarakhand. This will be covering as the mossy soil areas. Paddy and jute only suitable for this soil. Next one. So, what soil map in India? Which area will be suitable for the what types of soil having in our India? Okay, the color will be mentioned as the legend. First one, brown color should be having for the alluvial soil. Red, that is a red in color. Black soil is suitable for the cotton culture. This is only suitable areas for the cotton growing areas. Next, laterite, that is a orange color, and forest will be covered as the Himalayan mountain areas, and then arid and desert soil will be desert areas of Thar desert. Next one, saline and alkaline soil will be founded as the standard uniform the collector will be limited areas will be covered. Peaty and mossy soil will be formed as the coastal areas covering areas.